Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to service your blower. There is three things you can do. First and the most important is you gotta use quality 2-cycle oil, or maybe there's a 4-cycle, depends what kind of how newer. A quality oil, not a factory oil. Factory oil is not a quality oil. It's the cheap stuff that they go to suppliers, oil companies that make the oil, and they go and ask for what's the lowest price they can sell and the cheapest. And as you know, you get what you pay. Quality always comes with a cost. So, and still doesn't make their own oil. They go to different suppliers. Pretty much, there's only one OEM company that uses aftermarket oil. I mean, like high quality oil, not just aftermarket. They all use aftermarket companies because none of the companies make their own oil. Steel, Kohler, Honda, Toyota, GM, Ford, none of them make their own. They have suppliers that formulate, they sell them the cheapest stuff you can get, and they just put their labels on the bottles, and that's how it goes. So let me show you how to service. First, like I said, you gotta use quality oil. Second, use stabilizer or oil with a stabilizer. There is oil actually to cycle with a stabilizer. And if you did not use, and if you think you're still having problems, don't be in a hurry to go to the store and spend money to have it repaired. There is a stuff you can add to the gas specifically for small equipment that will clean up, like injector cleaners on cars they have. There is same stuff for carburetors to clean up the deposits and so on, so that way your equipment can last longer. But if it still doesn't work, then you can take it to the shop. There will be links. It's called Quick Shot. As you can, I'll show you pictures on the screen, and there will be links in the description where you can go and buy this stuff for yourself. And the third thing is your filters. You know, people think that filters are either they don't know or they think needs to be replaced. This steel blower is about 9 years old. You know, when I use it hard. I could be half an hour to an hour running it. So, and I'll show you the filter. I haven't replaced it, but I have checked the filter. It's about time to replace it, you know what I mean? Depends how dusty the conditions and where you run your equipment at. So check every season, replace every couple of years, every 5 years, every 10 years, depends on how heavy and if you work in the dusty conditions. So let me show you. Like with any equipment, and let me show you the filter, actually the filter media, the part number, in case you have this steel BG50. That's the part number, air filter information you need. You can get them at your local landscaping equipment dealers. They sell them, and this is for this. This is how easy to service. There's two tabs. You squeeze it and you push it towards the rear of the unit, and then just slide it towards yourself, just like that. As you can see, the filter it doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't look great either. So it's about time. And if you have a lot of dirt around it, just clean it carefully and then remove the filter. I mean, like around the edges, if there is anything. So this is the filter. That's not too bad, but 9 years, I think I got my money worth out of it. Let me show you the inside. It's clean, there is nothing there. So this is what the new look like, and the old, new and old filter. As you can see, it's about time to replace it. Same thing, straightforward. You just put it like that and just gently push it in. And use your fingers because it's new, and you know it's a little bit, feels like a little bit oversized, but once you push it in, it goes in just like that. Check, make sure there is no dirt, loose dirt or anything. If it is, you can wash it off, it doesn't hurt, and just install it the same way you removed it. You can always double check, make sure it's all the way in, otherwise you're gonna have a hard time trying to install it. That's it. That's how it gets done, simple and straightforward. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions, drop me a comment and ask me. Those are the simple things you can do, but you know, get a lot of life out of your equipment. Simple, straightforward. You don't have to go to the shop. You can do it yourself. Thank you and have a great day.